Hi there, this is Fixed It. It's that time of year. These are some of the leaves that have come down so far off the trees, and this is the Yard Force new electric mower that we've got, as you may have seen in the unboxing. It's a good machine, so the first job is to go over it without the bag on and to reduce the size. Trying to do too many, it's stalled, so you have to bang it a little bit. Okay, and then a restart. Bang it a bit more. Okay, if you just, hang on a sec. No, if you just lift that door, there'll be a pile of leaves behind the door. There you go. Just get some of them out. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this is now pretty fine. There's a few leaves in it, but they'll break down. And then just get the bag on and almost hoover it up. So there we have it, a small bag and a larger bag. As you can see, it's really fine. And now the mould that's in there will break it all down. Literally just leave it in a corner of the garden, make sure it stays wet, and come mid next year you have some great mulch to put on the garden rather than throwing all the leaves away. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. If it helps you, then click on the heart below and do a super like. Buy me a coffee. Thanks for watching. Bye.